Hello friends, welcome back. What a week this has been. So many things happening. Crypto enthusiasts have had a major setback because the government has announced 30% tax on all your income from cryptocurrencies. Now, there's a lot of confusion around how this taxation works, who will be taxed, how much will this tax be. So what I've done is I've written a very detailed piece on Get Techie's website where I've tried to answer all your questions around cryptocurrency and the taxation that has been announced. So do go and check that out. If you have any other questions, you can also put them in the comments box, because this is of course our Let's Get Techie video where we answer all your questions every Friday. This week, what I've done is I've also clubbed our Hindi Q&A and English Q&A session because we also had to put out another video and we were short on time. So we thought we should try to answer as many questions as possible, but in a different way altogether. So let's start our today's Q&A video. The first question I have is from Eshar Manzar, and the question is, can I consider a 6-month-old iPhone 11 at 20 to 25,000 rupees? I know the seller, he hasn't used the phone much. So Eshar, the phone must have been 6 months old because the guy purchased it 6 months ago. But iPhone 11 was launched about 2.5 years ago. So I would not actually recommend you to buy a 2.5-year-old phone for two reasons. One, it does not support 5G. We are hearing now that even in the budget, finance minister has said that 5G rollout may happen in 2022, 2023. So within next 12 months, you may feel that this phone is already old. Even if I keep 5G aside, I think iPhones have improved a lot since iPhone 11. If you compare iPhone 13 to iPhone 11, you will see significant improvements even in the camera department. So don't go for a 2.5-year-old phone unless you are like really limited by your budget. If your budget doesn't allow you, then of course you can buy it. Otherwise, I would say skip it and opt for a newer model. The next question is from Shivraj Pawar. A question here is I mean to buy a phone. Main requirement is performance and camera. Budget is 45,000 maximum, and he has three options in mind: Google Pixel 4a, Samsung FE21, S21 FE, and Vivo X70 Pro. So Shivraj, I'll tell you what, because you said your requirement is performance and then camera. So two of the three phones in this list automatically go out, that is Google Pixel 4a and Vivo X70 Pro. Both these phones you can't expect a very good performance on. So skip them. S21 FE is again a good option, but then it is priced at 50,000. I know there's some bank offer or something which you can club and still get it for less, but that again is above your budget. So I have another recommendation for you, which is the Xiaomi 11T Pro. So we have recently reviewed this device. It's priced at rupees 40,000. With bank offers, you can get it for even less. There's a 108 megapixel camera, Snapdragon 888 processor. So I think it ticks all the boxes that you're looking for. So do check out our review and let us know which phone you end up buying. Nihar Acharya has a suggestion for us, which is start Fiiber shorts also. You provide nice content. Now Nihar, the problem is, as much as we would want to start another channel, we have a very short team which is already managing two channels, just Fiiber and Fiiber Hindi. But to start a new channel altogether is a huge task. It's a massive challenge. I think we are not ready for that right now, but what we have done is over the last few weeks, we have taken your feedback and we have started making shorts. So if you'll go on our Hindi channel, we have put out few YouTube shorts which seem to be doing well. And if you guys want, we'll start putting out YouTube shorts on the English channel as well. So let me know in the comments box if you want that from us. Rockstar Tiger has a very interesting question, which is, sir, low budget YouTube video setup for YouTubers. Sir, हम भी low budget YouTuber ही हैं, by the way. If we are in office, then we have access to a lot of equipment, lot of gadgets. वहाँ studio भी होता है, बहुत सारी conditions होती हैं, वहाँ पे हम shoot कर लेते हैं. But when it comes to working from home, we also become low budget YouTubers because we are also using very budget sort of gadgets. So I'll tell you, I have a very small list for you. Actually, you don't need to spend a lot. People think if you want to make YouTube videos, you have to spend a lot of money. That's not the case. What you need is a decent camera phone. That is it. You don't even need an iPhone or anything else. If you can afford it, it's well and good. If you can't, whatever phone you have, you can still make very good videos. Then you need to ensure that you have good light source. So I will suggest if you can shoot in places where there is a lot of natural light. Where I shoot, I usually have a window around next to me so that a lot of natural light is coming. So if you have a park near your house, if you have terrace, then you can shoot there. In case that's not possible, then what you can do is you can invest in a small ring light, and these should cost you less than 1,000 rupees. I have a big ring light which cost me rupees 3,500 something, but you can go for a 12-inch ring light which costs around rupees 1,000. Then you will need a tripod, which is just to make sure that your videos are stable, there are not too many shakes, and you can't also depend on someone else to shoot videos for you all the time. So what you can do is you can put the phone on the tripod and just stand in front of the camera and talk. So that tripod, again, I think you can easily get one tripod for around rupees 1,000. And last thing you need is a decent mic for audio. So there are a lot of Boya mics which come for around 500 to 600 rupees, which you can spend. So all in all, you need about 3,000 rupees to have that decent YouTube setup, and then of course you can use your phone to make videos, and as you scale up you can then maybe invest in a camera as well. That was a long answer. The next question, the last one I have, is from Krishan Maurya. और कृष्ण मौर्य जी ने हमारे हिंदी चैनल पे सवाल पूछा, तो मैं हिंदी में इसका जवाब दूंगा. सवाल यह है कि क्या मुझे Mi 10T Pro से Xiaomi 11T Pro पर स्विच करना चाहिए? कृष्ण जी, मेरे को नहीं लगता आपको करना चाहिए. Mi 10T Pro मतलब 1-1.5 साल उस फोन को हुआ है लॉन्च हुए. बहुत बढ़िया फ़ोन है वो, उसमें सब कुछ आपको मिल जाता है. आपको प्रोसेसर भी बढ़िया मिलता है, आपको हाई रिफ्रेश रेट मिल जाती है, सब बढ़िया है उस फ़ोन के अंदर. सिर्फ एक जो मेजर अपग्रेड अगर आप सोचो तो Xiaomi 11T Pro में आपको मिल रहा है कि 120 वाट का फास्ट चार्जिंग सपोर्ट है, 15 मिनट में फ़ोन चार्ज हो जाता है. पर वो चाहिए किसको? मतलब इतना टाइम हमारे सबकी ज़िंदगी में है कि हम आधे घंटे से 40 मिनट निकाल सकते हैं फ़ोन चार्ज करने के लिए, और 40,000 रुपये बचा लेते हैं ना. मतलब 40,000 रुपये देकर नया फ़ोन क्यों लेना है? तो आई थिंक आपको अभी आराम से 1-1.5 साल और ये फ़ोन चलाना चाहिए. उसके बाद आप सोचिएगा कि आपको क्या स्विच करने की ज़रूरत है. और अभी तो जो भी फ़ोन स्विच करने की सोच रहा है, मैं कह रहा हूँ आप थोड़े दिन और रुक जाओ, अगर आप रुक सकते हो, अगर आपका फ़ोन एकदम डैमेज नहीं हो गया है. क्योंकि हो सकता है अब साल के एंड में या 2023 के शुरुआत में आपको 5G बैंड्स पर थोड़ी क्लैरिटी मिल जाए कि इंडिया में कौन से बैंड आने वाले हैं, तो फिर आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपना फ़ोन जो है परचेज कर सकते हो. अभी ले लोगे, पता चला वो बैंड ही नहीं सपोर्ट करता फ़ोन, तो फिर आपको दिक्कत आएगी. तो ये सबके लिए था, ना सिर्फ कृष्ण मौर्य जी के लिए, बाकी हर किसी के लिए था कि अगर आप अभी चेंज करने का सोच रहे हो, थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ. सो गाइस, दिस वाज इट. These were the questions that I had for this week's Q&A video. I hope my answers were helpful, and we are also running a giveaway, by the way, on our Hindi channel, so you can go and check that video out. You can participate in that giveaway, and I'll meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.